You're switching your closet out now from the cold weather clothes to the warm weather clothes, shoes, boots, handbags, sweaters, you name it. Anything that's warm and fuzzy, you don't want to wear in the next month because it's going to be warmer. So a lot of women have to switch out everything in their closet to make room. How about you learn how to organize your closet so that you won't have to switch out as much, can actually find everything that you need so you can pick out outfits a lot faster and a lot happier, and start opening up your closet and go, yeah, instead of, I have to get this done one day. I have to tackle this. I need to organize. I just have to get rid of some things, but I don't know what to get rid of. Guess what? I got news for you. Saturday, May 4th at 12 noon, I'm going to give you a closet cleanup webinar. I'm going to show you the steps that I share with my clients and use on myself to help you get your closet organized once and for all. You'll be able to keep it that way, and there is no mess involved. You might actually make some money because I always find some gold in people's closets. And why let the money sit there getting all dusty? So join me May 4th. It's a Saturday, 12 noon. It will be recorded, so if you can't make it live, no worries. You'll get the recording, but make sure you reserve your spot here. I do have a limited amount of people that I can host on my platform. So grab your spot, learn how to clean out your closet once and for all, and so you can stop wasting your money and your time on shopping for new things and not finding things in your own closet. I'm going to help you get it all together, and you'll never, ever open that closet door again and go, ugh, time for smiles.